swear to God, this is the last one I'm doing. So, hi Nathali. I just want to say thank you very much for your guidance and your support and your leadership. And I would like to apologize also if I made your time or our time a little more difficult than it should have been. It was not intentional or personal. I want you to know that, and I would like to also wish you all the very best in your new role and in life in general. So hopefully we can keep in touch and maybe continue to be friends. Again, all the very best, and we definitely will miss you.
In a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
I like to say thank you for everything you've done for us, especially to groom ourselves and to be a good teacher and a very good friend. I wish you all the very best for your future, and we are really missing you from our QA family. God bless you, Nathali. Bye.
Hi Nathali, wish you all the very best for a new job. So this is the opportunity that you've been waiting for, so I'll give it a big shot.
All the best, and God bless you.
Hi Nathali, so gladly it's time to say goodbye to you, and I wish you a very successful future, and thank you for everything. Bye.
Hi Nathali, wish you all the very best for your next job. Bye, see you. Bye. Hello Nathali, so all the very best for your future, and hope to see you soon. Hi Nathali, wish you all the best for your future.
Hi Nathali, it's been a great pleasure to working with you, even though it has been a short period, but I learned a lot of things from you. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the very best and hope you have a success in whatever you do next. I miss you a lot, Nathali. Goodbye.
Hi Nathali, it's a sad day for us at Bellvantage because it's your last day with us. We are going to miss you, but we are happy you are going for a new job and you are starting a new career. Wish you all the best, Nathali. We will definitely miss you.
Hi Natalie, we are really going to miss you. You have been a great team player here at Bellvantage, and I wish you all the best.
Hi Natalie, wish you all the best for your future. We are gonna miss you. Bye.
Hi Nathali, wish you all the very best.
Hi Nathali, how are you? Rakshan has been bugging the daylights out of me for the past couple of days, and I'm glad that I was able to spend some quality time to say a few words to you. I'm sure it has been quite a journey, the past couple of years, and you've encountered so much which made you to whom you are today. No doubt that it is certainly a huge loss, for us, leaving with a lot of mixed feelings. I'm proud of whom you have become over the past couple of years, and I wish you all success in your new venture. Thank you for your contribution towards the team Bellvantage. I wish nothing but the best for you, Nathali. Good luck and God's blessings to you and your family. By the way, it's really awkward to record your own video, but I did it. And Nathali, always remember, believe in yourself. Good luck and God bless.
Hi Nathali. Wish you all the very best. We miss you a lot. Bye.
Hi my name is Nathali.
miss you. Love you, love you.
Hi Nathali. So today is your last day. Actually, I really don't have words to share my feelings right now. I just want to say thank you for everything. I still remember day one at QA when Melkaki handed me over to you. I was really scared. I told Melkaki I really don't know whether I'll be able to work. But you have made life so much easy, and today for who I am, you're one responsible person. I wouldn't be wrong if I say you have been one of my role models, Nathali. And I first need to apologize because I'm really sorry. I have been one difficult character in your team, and you are one person who has handled me and explained how my professional career has to be. So thank you very much for all of that. And so from a call center agent today to be a trainer, I have learned so much of etiquettes from you, Nathali. And I need to first of all say you are one of the best bosses I've worked with. Not like I've worked with many, but I am supposed to be blessed to be having worked with you. And thank you very much.
I wish you all the best for your upcoming job role, and I will miss you so much. You are one of the sweetest person I have ever met, and you have been the best boss so far, one of the best bosses, and I will miss you so much. I don't know what else to say, and I hope you will not forget the things we have shared, the memories, and our jokes, inside jokes. I hope you remember all of that. So all the best, and I have given a very short time, and I'm sure that Rakshana will kill me if I exceed the time limit. Anyway, Nathali, all the best. I love you so much.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you